Hi guys, it's Martin here from a sunny Blackpool Automart. Right, this lovely Audi A4 has just landed into stock. It's the automatic petrol 2 litre. It's got the virtual cockpit, which is the sat nav and everything right inside the where the clocks are. And I understand that's a £1,500 additional extra when the car was new, the virtual cockpit, which is good. I'll show you that when we get in the car. But anyway, let's get around the car now. It's a stunning black one, black edition, 2 keys, great service history. It's got blacked out windows. It's the S-Line, black edition. It's a lovely car. This little scuff on the boot that we're going to sort out. See that? Don't know how that's happened. Nice decent sized boot, opens from the key. Got 2 keys with the car as well. Just nice car this. I think a couple of the alloys need refacing. There's a couple of marks on this one that we'll obviously do. And there's a couple on this one I think as well. Yeah, just on that edge there. So that'll go up to our Lancaster branch to be diamond cut, because that's what we do. The wheels will go up there tomorrow or the day after. But what a bonny car this is in black. It does look well. I know it's a pain to keep clean, but it does look well when it's clean like this one is. Right, let's have a look inside it. It's got half leather and half cloth. It's got the nice S-Line logo etched into the car's leather bit of its fabric. It's got the flat bottom steering wheel, auto lights, auto wipers, auto windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors. It's a keyless entry system this, so you just have the key on you and then you press your foot on the brake and press the start button there, and everything comes to life. And there's the virtual cockpit, and you can have that in a couple of different ways. You can have it large, so you've got your sat nav right in front of you, or you can have it small, or you can change it to your assists or your DAB radio or whatever you want. But that's you just change it by clicking the view button here. Yeah, it looks well. That looks funky. That nice piano black finish across the dashboard, and it goes into the door cards. It's got heated seats as well, this vehicle, you can see, and it's obviously got aircon because it's on now, and my goodness, that's really nice and cold considering it's 20. It feels more than 20 degrees outside. As I said to you outside, it's the automatic variant. This, it's got DAB radio, like I said, cruise control as well. You can see the lever under the steering wheel there, and it's got a USB port and a 12-volt port there. A couple of cup holders. There's your start-stop button for starting the car. Here's your button for switching off switching that off. You turn off your parking sensors if you want. Traction control, start-stop you can turn off, and that one at the end is your drive select. You can change it to go to different drive modes. Can you see? Obviously, if you put it in the dynamic mode, it'll hang in gear a lot longer and be a bit more aggressive through its gear change. It will use a bit more petrol if you put it into that mode. I just put them into comfort mode and they change nice and smoothly. Anyway, that's the inside of the car pretty much covered. It's got the electronic handbrake as well on this vehicle, which is what all cars are going to now. And I'll just finish off now. Just to let you know, we offer a delivery service at the moment. We offer cars to be delivered free of charge at the minute. There's no charge for that on UK mainland. We offer cracking finance packages as well if you want finance on this vehicle, and we will also pay off the finance on your vehicle as well if you've got finance currently on it. We just need the settlement figure from you prior to your ringing, would be helpful, so we can get you very accurate figures for you. We're part of a company called the Cox Motor Group. We have 16 dealers across the northwest of the UK, such like as Volkswagen, we've got Mitsubishi, we've got a Honda dealer here, there's us Automart, there's our Seat dealer next door to us, and across the road we have a huge Honda dealership as well. So 16 dealers in total, so we're not massive, but We're still small enough to be more personal. We are privately owned by Mr. Cox, hence Cox Motor Group. Great chap. If you want to reserve any of our cars, you can go onto our website, which is coxmotorgroup.com. You can leave a holding securing deposit on any car, including this one. It's just £100, takes the car off sale. It does stop anyone else purchasing the vehicle as well, because this is the only one we have. We've not got a row of them. And once you look at it, and once you drive it, and if you come down or have it delivered, if it's not what's been described, you're totally refunded. We'll refund you instantly, no questions asked. So there you go. If you want to get your name on it, by all means get onto our website, coxmotorgroup.com, and get your name on the car and get it reserved. I'll get pinged an email to state that's happened, and then I'll give you a call to whether you want finance or it's cash or there's a part exchange involved or whatever. But anyway, I'll leave you with that. It's a lovely car, this. Give us a call, 01253 600 900. Ask for me, Martin. I'm the sales manager here. Take care, guys, and hopefully we'll speak to you in the not too distant future. Bye for now.